What is the UPI payment system? Unified Payments Interface (UPI) is a system that powers multiple bank accounts into a single mobile application of any participating bank, merging several banking features, seamless fund routing, and merchant payments into one hood. Is UPI available in the USA? Yes, if you're an NRI, non-resident Indian, in the UK, USA, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Canada, Oman, Qatar, Australia, Singapore, or Hong Kong, you can use your global mobile number for UPI payments. Is UPI safe? UPI safety tips. Money transactions via UPI payment app are completely safe. However, you still need to be careful when using any UPI payment app. So here are some UPI safety tips to remember. 1. Verify UPI ID. Always verify the UPI ID of the receiver before approving a money transaction via UPI payment app. Which country has the best payment system? India has topped the list for digital payments and recorded 89.5 million transactions in 2022, according to a report. What is the limit of UPI per day? A lakh. How much is 1 lakh? 100,000. A lakh, sometimes written lakh, is a unit in the Indian numbering system equal to 100,000, 100,000 scientific notation 105. In the Indian 223 convention of digit grouping, it is written as 100,000. 1 lakh equals 106,925 USD. Generic understanding of UPI transaction limits. Regular UPI transactions have a maximum daily limit of 1 lakh. UPI withdrawals from ATMs using UPI apps are limited to 10,000 rupees per day. Bank UPI apps allow a total of 20 UPI transactions each day. Is UPI safer than debit card? For users, UPI stands out for its convenience and security, providing an affordable payment method with the majority of transactions incurring no charges. Initially, fund transfers to your UPI were limited to a debit card or a savings bank account. Does the bank charge for UPI transactions? The short answer is no. There is zero charge for UPI transactions for consumers. You do not have to pay additional charges on peer-to-peer, P2P, and peer-to-merchant, P2M transactions. However, according to the new UPI guidelines, an interchange fee of 1.1% on UPI transactions exceeding 2,000 rupees from 1st April 2023. Do you need a bank account for UPI? To use UPI to transfer funds, you need to have the following things in place: a bank account, an active mobile number linked to your bank account, a smartphone. What is the new rule of UPI? The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has raised the transaction limit for Unified Payments Interface (UPI) payments from 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees for transactions involving hospitals and educational institutions. This move aims to facilitate high-value, real-time payments and instant settlements in critical sectors. Is UPI allowed in USA? Yes. If you're an NRI in the UK, USA, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Canada, Oman, Qatar, Australia, Singapore, or Hong Kong, you can use your global mobile number for UPI payments. Can UPI be tracked? Can UPI transactions be tracked? Yes, UPI transactions can be traced by your bank, the UPI payment app you used, and the government. This is because UPI transactions are connected to your bank account and mobile phone number. Benefits of using UPI. Instant transfers. UPI enables real-time fund transfers, making it faster and more efficient than traditional methods like NEFT, RTGs, or IMPs. 24/7 availability. UPI services are available round the clock, allowing users to make transactions at any time, regardless of bank working hours or holidays. Simplified transactions. UPI uses a UPI ID instead of bank account numbers and IFSC codes, simplifying the transaction process and ensuring a higher level of privacy. Multiple bank accounts. Users can link and manage multiple bank accounts from a single UPI-enabled app, making it easier to track and manage finances. Low transaction costs. Most UPI transactions are free or have minimal charges compared to other payment methods, making it an affordable option for users. Secure payments. UPI employs a two-factor authentication system, ensuring that transactions are secure and reducing the risk of fraud. How UPI is better than other payment methods. User-friendly interface. UPI apps offer a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate and complete transactions. QR code payments. UPI supports QR code-based payments, enabling users to make contactless transactions at various merchant outlets. Interoperability. UPI allows for seamless transactions between different banks and platforms, unlike mobile wallets that may be limited to specific networks. No need to load wallets. Unlike mobile wallets, UPI transactions are directly linked to your bank account, eliminating the need to load or maintain a wallet balance. Wide acceptance. UPI is widely accepted across various merchants and platforms, making it a versatile payment option for you. What is the UPI payment app? UPI, Unified Payments Interface, is an instant real-time payment system developed by National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI. UPI facilitates P2P, peer-to-peer, P2M, person-to-merchant, and P2PM for small merchants and unorganized retail sector transactions. OnPassive will use the UPI payment system to pay Indian Early Bird affiliates commissions. How great is that Indian Early Bird affiliates?